block number 4 of the FatCat Patterns Be Happy block of the month. This is just pre-fusing the patches so that I can put them directly onto my fabric base blocks. This is an easy one this month. Easy, easy. That's it. Layer my patches onto my paper. I'll go grab my bees out of the bee box, and I'll be ready to put this onto the, iron it onto the applique base. All right. I haven't pulled my bees out yet. Need to. Okay, I need a double and a right. Here's my double. There's my right. I think I need to trim them just a tiny bit. Did I put my scissors away? See, don't be afraid to trim your patches. See, I don't want that little point on his head. There we go. Okay, doke. So, that flower go there. He's going to go around there. I'm using this sliding. Okay, so I need to move down. Play with it until you're happy with it. I'm not happy that close to the edge. Yep. Yeah, you can't see that. Placing, just getting as close to the pictures as I can. This leaf I'm going to turn that way so I don't get caught in my seam allowance. There we go. One more block done.